Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the candle's color on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open Exness and open your chart. And let's say, for example, I will make the bullish candles yellow and I will make the bearish candles white. Okay? So all you have to do is right click, click on settings, go to symbol, and as you can see, we have here the body, the borders, and the wicks. So these ones are the bullish candles, and these ones are the bearish candles. So click on this one and choose yellow for the for the bullish, sorry, like this, all of them. And now we have here the bearish, as we said, white. And click on OK. And as you can see, we changed the candles colors. In that set. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.